I'm going to tell you guys one more time as a public service announcement how not to get towed in Sturgis. At Lynn's Dakota Mart, if you park here, not stopping here, they will tow you. We're towing this guy right now. They got another tow truck right here that's ready to grab somebody. Sorry, it's all shaky. My camera's super zoomed in. And another tow truck right behind me, ready to go. Got a 1 hour parking limit here at Lynn's Dakota Mart. It's right in the middle of downtown Sturgis. Everybody parks here. They keep track and they will tow your vehicle.